Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. The winds out there, the story of the afternoon, but we also have wide-ranging conditions across our very large viewing area. We'll get you down to the latest on that right now. But again, traffic moving along smoothly, and in the FM area, a little bit of a hazy sky. And notice how hard it is or difficult to see those clouds in the background. We have some dust kicking up in our area as well. Those winds are gusty out of the west, and wow, those northwest winds really keeping things cooler in the north. Check out the clouds and the showers there. They extend from, well, over here near Towner County right down through places just north of the FM area, and they swirl down towards Duluth. We have passing sprinkles, but the most common ones and the most likely that could be reaching the ground along the international border. Thanks, Liz, for your report up there with, in the Kittson County area, a few sprinkles earlier in the day. So Lake of the Woods out towards International Falls now having a chance at rain. Can't rule out a sprinkle reaching the ground. Remember, the farther away we are from the radar, the harder it is for the radar to pick out those raindrops making their way down to the ground. It's seeing what's up in the clouds. As we look at your temperatures, wow, we have low to mid 50s from Baudette, 51, 56 in Thief River Falls, warm it up to 62 in Grand Forks, and it leaps another 10 degrees in Fargo and Point South, as warm as 75 in Sisseton. And that swirling around the area of low pressure from the northwest in our northwestern counties, notice not as strong up there, 10 to 15 miles per hour, but you get into the Cheyenne River Valley, the James River Valley here, we have gusts over 40 miles per hour, including here in the FM area. And that's kicking up a little bit of dust, as you saw a little bit earlier at the top of the show. Right now at Hector, the latest readings are showing up like this. Those winds gusting over 40, 72 at Moorheads Airport. Hector has 71 degrees. Your sunset tonight, 9:15. And these winds will not likely subside until we get closer to that sunset time. They'll gradually diminish. Check it out. Hour by hour forecast. Set it into motion. You can watch a timestamp on the clock, but we're expecting those gusty winds to continue all the way through the 7 and 8 o'clock hour. And then they become blue, showing that they start to taper off after about 8. And then it looks like spotty showers will be exiting as we go through the night. Clear skies. Whoa, brief mid-30s up to the north. So chilly up there, and I cannot rule out isolated frost, but the rest of us start out the day with 50s. Tomorrow will be less wind, although it won't be calm. And it will be pleasant. A fabulous Friday with temperatures rising from the 60s in your lunch hour to 70s in the afternoon. A beautiful day to close off the work week, and dry and sunny with less wind. Fargo 41 to start. Temperatures ramping it up to near 70 degrees by the 4 o'clock hour. We'll leap into the 70s for the afternoon. So we'll be near that 70-degree mark all the way until 8 o'clock at night. And I can handle a 6-mile-per-hour wind. I don't know about you. Speaking of wind, it's created some beautiful signs in the skies. Check out this, and I got to tell you, these clouds that form called wave clouds are called Kelvin-Helmholtz waves. And when we have a slower layer of wind down near the surface and above it some ripping winds that are gusty, just like it causes waves that break on our lakes. And you think of those whitecaps on DL, that same thing happens. Check out building wave, breaking wave, and then another building one. So beautiful sky shots by you. Thanks for sharing. Here's another look by the Vergas area and another look from Detroit Lakes from yesterday's wavy skies. 73 on Saturday, the best day of the weekend, then 65 on Sunday with a few thunder showers possible, mainly in the far south. Next week, cooler to start things off, but a gradual return to milder conditions. Our best chance of showers or more widespread stormy activity will be on Thursday. It doesn't look volatile at this point, but we will keep you posted.
Those are some low lows, aren't they?
Yes, they are. Kind of cool.
All right, thanks, Hutch.